Good morning. We're back in Pisgah National Forest. Slept pretty well. And you better believe the first place I'm going is where I crashed. So I'm going to get up, get going, get riding. And we're going to do Buckwheat Knob and Avery Creek Trail today. Let's go. So I need to retract an earlier statement about me doing Avery Creek Trail today. I am not. I'm taking Clawhammer Road to the top, then Black Mountain Trail upper, Buckwheat Knob, Bennett Gap, back to my car. So Avery Creek Trail will come sometime this week, not today. So yeah, I will see you at the top. Probably won't do anything spectacular until we get up there, so I'll see you up there. We made it to the top of Clawhammer Road, 4.1 miles in the books. We're going left up here to Black Mountain Trail upper, which first half, nothing special, just kind of more climbing. Second half, very fun, into Buckwheat Knob, into Bennett Gap. I think there are some people that are able to ride up this, but I am not one of them. What's pretty concerning is all the leaves, which means that braking is a lot more difficult. And also the leaves make it so much harder to see where I'm supposed to go. Oh yeah. Now some people go along here and gap this whole thing. I don't think I have the skill to do that. So I will be taking this line down the middle, nice and easy. All right, so at the top of Black Mountain Trail upper, and again, not gonna gap this just because. Nice not riding that completely blind that time. I mean, the leaves are pretty nuts. Actually, I can't see the trail. This is that sketchy rock part. Let's look at it. All right. Okay, here it is. The third and final peak of Buckwheat Knob. This is where I broke it, so calm, cool, confident. I think this is where it happened, up here. I'll tell you when I know. Because I just started, I remember, I just started ripping down this part, so I was like, oh, I'm good. I think it's right here. I was like, yeah, I'm free, let's go, that was fun. And then I just started going so fast. Yep, right here. I hit this, bang. Is it? Yeah. Right here is where I ended up. Right in this hole. Right there. That's where my body laid. Not this time. I don't know why I hit this so hard in the moment. I was just going, I guess. Conquered. Consider it conquered. Whew. On to Bennett Gap. Oh, it feels good to not hurt myself on that. Champion. I was going slow, but I'll take it. And then I sat right here for like 30 minutes just going, oh my God. This is Bennett Gap. This footage is from day 3 because I accidentally switched it to narrow when I did it the first time, the lens angle. I think I hit one of the shortcuts on the little screen on the GoPro when I was recording, or right before I recorded, and I think I switched it to narrow. So this footage is from day 3, second attempt at Bennett Gap. So yeah, top of Bennett Gap. Nice easy little ride on top of the hill into the main stuff. Got a weird vibe today. Like the clouds and a little chillier and not as many people out. I don't know. Definitely just feels a little off. Here it is. Oh, God, it's still insane. Can't ever really get tired of it. Let's go. The GoPro effect is real on that though. And then I don't know how soon it is, but the rock section of where that drop is. Definitely not doing the drop. Here it is. All right, gonna get off and look at this again. I'm not gonna be able to stay up on that. Just don't think I have it. It's my third attempt. If I can't get it here, I'm not gonna keep trying. So hopefully I can. No. Well, that doesn't bode well. That's unfortunate. It felt pretty good, but got other things to do. Just to give you a look at it from the bottom. I was coming around there, up. Yeah. So thank you. Oh, this is, yeah. I can't remember this part. Oops. Jumped way too late. Again, landed right on the left side. Two crashes, both left side. But, all right. Shoulder feels fine. I'm not gonna try to hop it. I'm just gonna go left on it. Oh, wrong way. Again. See, those logs make it look like it's like telling you to, you know, don't go this way. That's what they mean to me sometimes. Yeah, and it was this way. Almost lost it there. Oh. My brakes are screaming for help right now. And so are my hands. Woo! Oh my gosh. Man, almost there. And then straight. I got confused there the first time.
pretty much it, I think. Sweet. That's it for Bennett Gap. So now for Bennett Gap, we'll cut back over to the other video. Well, the footage from the other day, same video. Did it without dying. Let's go. Now, I wouldn't say that it was the most incredible riding I've ever done or you've probably ever seen, but I did do it without crash. Well, I crashed once, but minor. So I'd consider it a success. Conquered Buckwheat Knob, that's the main thing. That's awesome. And yeah, I did it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. The next video is probably gonna be, I don't know what I'm gonna do next. You'll have to see. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.